This is Fabulae 51, lines 9 through 13 in the textbook. These guys, and we're talking about the judges here, down in the underworld, they say the law. Well, you know what that means. They set the law. And notice that's imperfect. All these verbs are going to be imperfect. And I'm going to translate the imperfect with this little helping verb, would. They would make the law. And I know that sounds funny, but it gets the idea of a cyclical action. They would make the law, and again, imperfect, they would decide the rewards and the punishments. Ooh, look at this. Primia, the nominative accusative of all neuters is always the same in Latin and Greek, and the plural always ends in A. There it is right there. Okay, that's the DO, the direct object of constituebant, and he is the subject. That's nominative plural, these guys. The good for, hey, wait a minute, this means for, but really the for goes first. This is called a post-positive because it's always seen in the second position in the sentence. So 1, 2, here. In English, we put it first. It's not a post-positive. We say, for the good guys, would come, would, for the imperfect, would come to the Elysian fields, the fields of Elysium, the place of the blessed. In plus the accusative, direction. In plus the ablative is location. All right. The wicked, however, ooh, here's another one. A post-positive comes second in the sentence. And in English, it's also a post-positive. We say, the wicked, however, that's the correct way of doing it. Doot, doot, doot. Often people put however first, and technically that's incorrect. The wicked, however, would be sent, would, for that imperfect, again, the would imperfect, into Tartarus. And they would be tortured in many and various ways of punishment. When you see a passive verb form, look for the ablative, and there it is right there. They were tortured by punishments. In other words, punishments tortured them. You can always switch that around.